remember the hour when I first set my eyes on you, on that warm summer night. I remember the way you tried to say my last name. It wasn't right, but with time you learned like it was your own. In that moment I was holding you so tight. If only in my dreams it was you and I knew I'd make you mine, never leave your side. If only in my dreams it was you and I. That warm summer night, we started talking all night on the phone, 'cause miles and miles couldn't keep us alone. On those warm summer nights, in that moment I was holding you so tight. If only in my dreams it was you and I knew I'd make you mine and never leave your side. If only in my dreams it was you and I. On that warm summer night, I see you standing there, rose petals in your hair. Only one thing left to do, walk in a straight line into this heart of mine. Forever is now in our view. We say I do. In this moment I am holding you so tight. Can you believe our dreams have become real life? Let's dance away the night and stand the test of time. Can you believe our dreams have become real life? On this warm summer night, breathe You're never alone, my love. Remember, you're always enough. Hold on and never give up. You're never alone. Wherever this life goes.
Sleeping in your backseat, you were singing badly. We both know you had me. We were shifting seasons, taking back roads. Where did all the time go? Lost in the crescendo. You're the loudest thing